Okay, this is a video on airsoft guns. So if you're not interested in airsoft guns, yeah, you might want to back out right now. So here it goes. This is on the gun, the p.816. Yeah. Um, well, the one I bought comes in two colors. It's either silver or black. Yeah, I'll show you how accurate it fires. Alright. I'm just gonna take the silver one because I like it more. I spray painted the tip. I know it's illegal, but looks better. On a normal standard size clip. The gun's pretty big, or not really. It's quite small actually. My hand, yeah, you kind of see in comparison. But yeah, I'm just gonna load the clip real fast and I'll get back to you. Okay, full clip. It holds up to 9 shots. Alright, it is a spring. It's no blowback or gas. Yeah. Again, just a spring. Cock it back. Not a multi-fire, single shot fire. Okay. You have to pull back every single time for people that are just getting into airsoft guns. It is pretty accurate though, I have to say. I'll fire at the doorknob over there. Yeah, it came about an inch by it. So, yeah. For a little airsoft gun, I guess that's pretty good. I don't know how you rate, but yeah. Please leave comments because that's what I'm looking for. And I'll just show you the black gun real quick too. I preferably say that the black one's better. Also, if you paint the tip, then it actually looks like a real gun. Yeah, that's just me. So, whatever you want to do, it's fine with you. So, yeah, same kind of gun, cock back. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. A little thing on the clip too. It's just a normal sized clip. It fits the gun pretty good. Yeah. It holds up to 9 shots or 9 airsoft. Yeah, it doesn't pop out of the front as you can see. The only way it'll pop out if you take your nail and push it forward. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, that's on the gun, the p.816. If you're interested in buying one, you can find it at any retail store. If you have any questions, just comment me.